for a regular hexagon, if you see the figure, hexagon means 6 sides. We have to draw a diagonals. We start from the one vertex. We will leave the consecutive vertex and join the remaining. 1, 2, 3. Now you take this vertex. 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 6. Now you take this vertex. 7, 8. Now you take this vertex and 9. So total how many diagonals are possible? 9. Now if you see the triangle, we have all the 3 consecutive vertex, as I told earlier in the previous video. The triangles have no diagonal. Now we have already done this topic, angle sum property of a polygon. I have told you the formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now question number 4 says, what can you say about the angle sum property of a convex polygon with number of sides? A part it is given n equals to 7. So we can find out the value. 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. It's 5 into 180 degree. That makes 900 degree. So if I am having any of the polygon with number of side as 7, so it will get the angle sum property as 900 degree. Now B part, n equals to 8. So again 8 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 6 into 180 degree. Your answer is coming up to be 1080 degree. So remaining C and D part will be your homework. Now next question, question number 5. They say, what is a regular polygon? What is a regular polygon? Name the regular polygons of 3 side, 4 side and 6 side. Regular polygon with all the sides and all the angles same are called regular polygon. 3 side, 4 side, 6 side. 3 side regular polygon is called equilateral triangle. 4 side it is called square. 6 side it is called regular hexagon. Okay, question number 6, first part. This is a figure given. Now this is a 4-sided figure. 4 side figures. 4 side means a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral angle sum says, angle sum is 360 degree. That means if I add all these angles, 50 plus 130 plus 120 plus x, it should be equals to 360 degree. Now if you add all these 3, we will get 300. 300 plus x equals to 360. X equals to 360 minus 300. So x value will be 60 degree. This is your answer. Now second part, this is a figure given. First see the figure carefully. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4-sided figure, that means a quadrilateral. One angle is x, second is 70, third is 60. Fourth angle you have to find. This symbol of a given is 90 degree. That means outer angle is of 90 degree. Angle sum property says that if sum of two angles should be 180 degree. If outer is 90, then inner one will also be a 90 degree. Only in the case of 90 degree, when outer is 90, inner will also be 90 degree. So we have got 4 angles, x plus 70 plus 60 plus 90, it should be equals to 360 degree. X plus, so when you add these values, you get 220. X equals to 360 minus 220. It will give you 041. X value equals to 140 degree. This is your answer for a second part. Okay, let us see this question now. Third part. First calculate the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Polygon is always interior. 5 sides, that means a pentagon. Pentagon angle sum property is 540 degree. This we have done earlier, how to calculate the angles. So first we will see the figure. Interior 2 angles are missing. I am marking this one as angle 1 and the second as angle number 2. First of all, I will find the value of angle 1. I am finding it here down. You will do in a fair work. Then we will find the remaining angles x. So if we see angle 1 plus 70, that should be equals to 180. Why? It forms a linear pair. Linear pair. So angle 1 equals to 180 minus 70. So angle 1 will equals to 110 degree. This I have calculated angle 1. This should be equals to 110 degree. Similarly, angle 2 I can find. Angle 2 plus 60, that is equals to again 180, linear pair. Angle 2 equals to 180 minus 60. 180, it gives 120 degree, angle 2. Angle 2 value we have calculated, this should be equals to 120 degree. Now we have got the value of angle 1 and angle 2. We are going to put in the statement 30 plus x plus angle 1 plus angle 2 should give us the answer 540 degree, because it is a pentagon with 5 angles. 30 plus x makes 2x. Angle 1 value we have calculated 110. Angle 2 we have calculated 120 equals to 540. Let us add 140. 260 plus 2x equals to 540. Now 2x equals to 540 minus 260 degree. The 2x value will become 280. X equals to 280 upon 2, that makes 140 degree. So value of x is 140 degree for both the angles. Next figure is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon. So angle sum property will be 540 degree. Angle sum property is 540 degree. Now it is given with one line. Angles are not given. So that means this figure is a regular figure. So I will suppose all the angles are also same, because all the sides are same. So I will take all the angles to be x. So that means if I add all the 5 angles, that should be equals to 540 degree. And by adding all the 5 angles, it makes 5x. 540, x equals to 540 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 0, 5 8s are 40. So x equals to 108. This is the value of x. Now question number 6 is complete. We will start with question number 7. Now question number 7, first part, this is a figure given. We have to find the value of x plus y plus z. First of all, we will find the value of x, y and z. For finding the value of x, first we will find the value of x. X plus 90, that should be equals to 180. Why? It forms a linear pair. Now it forms a linear pair. So x equals to 180 minus 90, x equals to 90 degree. Similarly, we will find the value of z. Z plus 30, that is also equals to 180. Why? Again it forms a linear pair. Z equals to 180 minus 30, z equals to 150 degree. Now for finding the value of y, if you learn the exterior angle sum property of a triangle, what the exterior angle sum property says, कहता था ना कि अगर एक ट्राइंगल के बाहर एक एक्सटीरियर है, that will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles. This is a one way to find, so that we can find the value of y by adding 90 plus 30. By exterior, those who don't know about the exterior angle sum property, go through class 7 book triangles chapter. Exterior angle sum property. So y value will be 120 degree. Now let us add all these. X plus y plus z, that will be 90 plus 150 plus 120. Zeros 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 11, 6, 360 degree. Yes, it is coming out to be 360 degree. Here is your verification. If your answer is not coming out to be 360, that means you have done the wrong calculation. Why? Because exterior angle of any polygon sum up to be 360 degree. Okay, let us see now this question. This is the second part of question number 7. We are having a four-sided figure. First of all, we will find the value of x, y and z. We don't have any exterior property for a quadrilateral. So we will try to find out this interior angle first. So I can name this interior angle as angle number 1. Okay, let us find the value of angle number 1 first. To find the angle number 1, 4 angles, interior angles we will take. 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus angle 1, this should equals to 360. Why? Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now you add. Now if you add these numbers, you get 260 plus angle 1 equals to 360. Angle 1 equals to 360 minus 260, that will gives us 100 degrees. So we will preserve this 100 degree separate. Now let us start finding the value of x, y and z. For x, first of all we start from x. X plus 120, that is equals to 180. Again linear pair. X equals to 180 minus 120. X is equals to 60 degree. X value we have got. Similarly for y plus 80, that will again gives us 180 linear pair. Reason you have to write y equals to 180 minus 80, y equals to 100 degree. You have got the value of y. Now you will calculate for z. Z plus 60, that is equals to 180. Z equals to 180 minus 60, z equals to 120. Now finally we are going to find the value of w. I am erasing the top part. Angle 1 I will write down separate. This is equals to 100 degree we have calculated. Okay. Now for w plus angle 1, that is equals to 180, again linear pair. W angle 1 is 100 degree is equals to 180. W equals to 180 minus 100, W equals to 80 degree. Now you have to find the value of x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z plus W. You have to find this one. Let us calculate 60 plus 100 plus 120 plus 80. Okay, it makes 160, it makes 200, makes 360. Yes, hence verified. So it sum up to be 360 degree. That means you take any polygon, its exterior angle sum up to be 360 degree. Okay class, with the end of this question we have completed our first exercise, and exercise number 2 module I will upload it later.